Welcome. In this video we will show you how to create a Roblox account on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Roblox and tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Roblox app. On the Roblox home screen, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your details. Fill in the required information such as birthday, username, password, gender, etc. Select your birth month, day, and year. Create a unique username that is not already taken. Avoid using your real name for privacy. Enter a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and choose your gender. Check the box to agree to Roblox terms and conditions. After entering all the details, tap Sign Up to create your account. If prompted, complete the verification process by solving a quick captcha puzzle. This ensures you were not a bot. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Roblox home screen. Tap Avatar to customize your character with free or purchased items. And that's it. You have successfully created a Roblox account and are ready to explore the Roblox world. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.